Hi, I'm Josh Cavett, DSM for Keystone Bullet Travel Trailers, and I'm here today to show you around a premier 34BI bunkhouse travel trailer. This is a luxury bunkhouse model that features an outside entertainment area, a kitchen island, and is great for families because it sleeps up to 10 people. Let's take a look around. Our bunkhouse can sleep up to 5 people and is outfitted with TV prep, extra storage for clothing and games, 2 in-slide charging ports, a fold-out trifold sofa, and a flip-down bunk. As we move into the living area, you're going to see overhead cabinets for extra storage, a larger 50-inch screen TV for better viewing, and a 26-inch electric fireplace for those cool fall nights. Coming into the kitchen, you're going to see some of our stainless steel appliances by Furrion, a 3-burner stove with backlit knobs, solid surface countertops, and a gray Subway-style backsplash. This year we have the option for a 12-volt, 10 cubic square foot fridge to bring more along for those family trips. Our kitchen island is going to feature that solid surface countertop that's going to be easier to clean and it's going to last longer, along with a pop-up outlet and a single basin stainless steel sink with roll-up sink cover. In our slide, we feature the Dream Dinette to convert your booth dinette into an easy sleeping area, along with pull-out drawers for extra storage, north and south facing windows to create a cross breeze, and theater seating directly across from your TV. I'm standing in our shower so you can see how much room we actually have. I'm 6 feet tall and there's plenty of space and extra natural light with our skylight. On top of that, we have a porcelain toilet with foot flush, corner shelves, and a corner stainless steel sink. This bathroom features a private entrance into the bedroom that features our walk-around queen bed, wardrobes on either side, overhead storage, a flip-up lid for your laundry hamper to keep your coach clean, and shelves on either side with 110 charging ports and USB charging ports to plug your phones, tablets, or CPAP in. Thanks for walking through the premier 34BI with us. For more information, please visit us at KeystoneRV.com.